All Goa Bus Owners Association has slammed the Goa government for allowing Karnataka to divert Mhadei water to its Malaprabha basin. The association said former water resources ministers Dayanand Mandrekar and Vinod Palyankar are specifically responsible for the Mhadei water fiasco. And if anybody raises the issue now, it is purely politics. The association also batted for Mining Corporation to restart mining activity. All Goa Bus Owners Association spokesperson Sudeep Tamhankar said when the Bus Owners Association had raised the Mhadei issue, they were ridiculed by many. And now they are sitting quiet when Karnataka has diverted the Mhadei water to Malaprabha basin. The Supreme Court has granted an interim relief to Karnataka, allowing it to implement the final order of the Mhadei Water Disputes Tribunal. The order has been challenged by Goa and Maharashtra.
जे म्हादाईचे सगळे अस्तित्वच नष्ट करून उडयला कर्नाटकान सगळे उदीक वळोवपाचे जाले ऑलरेडी सगळे करून जाल्या आनी आतां जर तो कोण विशय तर हांगा तापोवपाक सोदता जाल्यार ते निव्वळ राजकारण करता अशें म्हाका तरी दिसून येता. आनी जे म्हादाईचें कितें पळय घडलां ह्या मुद्द्याक शिवोलीचो माजी आमदार दयानंद मांद्रेकार आनी आतांचो आमदार विनोद पालयेकार WRD मिनिस्टर म्हणून हे दोगूय आजी माजी WRD मिनिस्टर म्हणून दोगूय तितलेच जबाबदार आहा आनी हेंच्यांनी हो विशय भितरसून कितें तरी आपले साठयलो ते मनोहर पर्रीकाराच्या इन्स्ट्रक्शना सकयल आपली तत्वां आनी सगळे घाण दवरून हेंच्यांनी म्हादाईचें उदीक सगळे कर्नाटकान वळयसर ओगी रावन पयला.
On 17 September this year, scientists from National Institute of Hydrology at Roorkee visited the Kalasa Bandura project site and found salinity up to 22 kilometers, that is at Amona, from the mouth of river. The test was done when the monsoon was very active. However, Chief Engineer of Goa's Water Resources Department, Shrikant Patil, has said that to get the correct picture, the salinity tests should be conducted during April-May also. Sudeep also raised the issue of mining activity. He said the Chief Minister should not blame the then Congress government for not giving second renewal of mining leases and former Chief Minister Lashmikant Parsekar for renewing the mining leases in a hurry for the current mining imbroglio.
मी निषेध करता आनी प्रमोद सावंताक सांगता की गोंयच्या जनतेची दिशाभूल जी पळय चलयल्या ती दिशाभूल बंद करची आनी गोंयच्या जनतेक लागून सिरियसली खंय तरी काम करचें कारण आसा. जर मायनींग तर गोंयचें जर बंद जालां जाल्यार ते घटनेच्या आदाराचेर बंद जालां. सरकाराक ताब्यान घेवपाक लायल्या आनी कॉर्पोरेशन करून किंवा ऑक्शन करून मायनींग चालू करपाचें सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगलेलें आसा. सुप्रीम कोर्टान खंयच मायनींग बंद करूंक ना. मुद्दम एकदा परत सांगता सुप्रीम कोर्टान खंयच मायनींग बंद करूंक ना. ही फक्त प्रमोद सावंत आनी बाकीचे राजकारणी आहा ही हवा निर्माण करता.
Amar Chaurya for Goa 365 from Panji.